Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what England looks like. England, the largest country within the United Kingdom, spans over 50,000 square miles. Its diverse landscape features everything from the gentle, rolling hills of the South Downs to the rugged beauty of the Lake District. You'll find extensive flat plains in the east and dramatic coastlines along its many shores. This variety contributes to its unique visual appeal, supporting a population of around 56 million people. England presents a striking contrast between its bustling urban centers and its serene rural landscapes. Cities like London, Birmingham, and Manchester are vibrant hubs, blending contemporary skyscrapers with centuries-old buildings. Yet, venture outside these metropolitan areas, and you'll discover picturesque villages, ancient woodlands, and expansive farmlands. Despite over 80% of its population residing in urban settings, the countryside remains a defining and cherished aspect of England's visual identity. England's architectural heritage is incredibly rich and varied, offering a visual journey through centuries of history. You'll encounter magnificent medieval castles, grand cathedrals, and elegant Georgian townhouses. Iconic landmarks such as Westminster Abbey and the Tower of London stand as testaments to its past. Beyond the famous sites, many smaller towns and villages charm visitors with their distinctive half-timbered buildings, thatched cottages, and winding cobblestone streets, each telling its own story. England's temperate climate plays a crucial role in shaping its appearance, resulting in famously lush, green landscapes throughout the year. While often associated with rain, the country receives an average of about 840 millimeters of rainfall annually, which nourishes its vibrant flora. This abundance of greenery is evident in its countless gardens, expansive parks, and the intricate network of hedgerows that crisscross the countryside, creating a verdant and inviting visual tapestry.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.